Welcome back, everyone, to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of football gear, focusing on one of the hottest items out there, the Nike Men's Alpha Menace Pro 2 Mid-Football Cleats. Now, if you're serious about your game, you're going to want to pay close attention to what we have to say about these bad boys. Alright, folks, let's get straight into it. We're talking about the Nike Men's Alpha Menace Pro 2 Mid-Football Cleats, and let me tell you, these are the real deal. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right footwear can make all the difference on the field. First things first, let's talk about performance. These cleats are engineered to give you maximum traction and support, thanks to their rubber sole and lace-up closure. Whether you're making quick cuts or sprinting down the field, you can trust that these cleats will keep you stable and agile. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into what makes these cleats stand out. One key feature is their durability. Made with top-quality materials, these cleats are built to last season after season. Plus, they're easy to clean. Just throw them in the machine, and they'll come out looking good as new. And let's not forget about fit. With a range of sizes available, including this 11.5 we have here, you can find the perfect fit for your feet. And trust me, when it comes to football cleats, getting the right size is crucial for both performance and comfort. Now, let's talk about the benefits of investing in a pair of Nike Alpha Menace Pro 2 cleats. First off, you're getting top-of-the-line quality from a brand that's trusted by athletes all over the world. Nike knows what it takes to excel on the field, and these cleats are no exception. But it's not just about performance, it's also about style. These cleats have a sleek design that's sure to turn heads on the field. And with the classic white and black colorway, you can't go wrong. So, there you have it, folks, the Nike Men's Alpha Menace Pro 2 Mid-Football Cleats. Simply put, these are the best of the best when it comes to football cleats. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, or style, these cleats have got you covered. So do yourself a favor and invest in a pair today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy playing!